Hi everyone, with me today I have this set of 6 gel nail polish. They are a jelly type of colors and they are super buildable, so as you go on and add layers you're going to see the colors come through. Now you're going to find colors like white, some light pinks, darker pinks, and some more purplish colors. They're absolutely gorgeous and I adore every single one. I actually really recommend you guys to check this one out because it really is going to give you that nude look. But they also sent us this as well so you can test out the colors. So that is what we're going to do. I'm going to apply each one of the colors and cure them so we can see the final result. Alright you guys, I finished painting every single one of these colors in order from number 1 to number 6 on our little nails, and I'm going to cure them under the lamp. Here it is all cured, and remember you can continue to layer them as you wish. I would say that 1 or 2 layers is good enough for me, but you can go up to 3 if you would like. 1 gives you a nice jelly transparent look, almost making it look like your natural nail. I absolutely adore it and I definitely recommend you guys check this out on Amazon. It is an awesome kit.